Another day, another AI story. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the iGaming industry. It is offering new and innovative ways to enhance the player experience and drive growth for operators. From player behavior analysis to recommendation systems and virtual game assistants, AI is transforming the way the iGaming industry operates. In this video, we will explore the ways in which AI is changing the gaming landscape and the impact it is having on the industry. Player behavior analysis is one of the key areas where AI is making a significant impact in iGaming. AI algorithms can track and analyze player behavior, such as the type of games they play, the time they spend playing, the amount they bet, and their overall win-loss record. This information can then be used to create targeted promotions and bonuses, or to offer personalized game recommendations based on a player's individual preferences. AI can also detect unusual or suspicious behavior, such as cheating or problem gambling, and respond accordingly, ensuring the fairness and integrity of the gaming experience for all players. Recommendation systems powered by AI are also becoming increasingly popular in iGaming. These systems analyze player behavior and preferences to provide customized recommendations for games, bonuses, promotions, and more. The goal of these systems is to increase player engagement and improve overall player satisfaction. For example, an AI-powered recommendation system can suggest similar games to a player based on their gaming history and preferences. This can help players discover new games they may enjoy and encourage them to try new experiences within the iGaming platform. Virtual game assistants powered by AI are also transforming the iGaming industry. These virtual assistants use natural language processing, NLP, and other AI techniques to understand and respond to player inquiries and requests in real time. They can assist players with questions about game rules, payouts, promotions, and more, providing guidance on strategy and helping players make informed decisions during gameplay. Virtual game assistants can also assist players with account-related tasks, such as depositing or withdrawing funds, updating account information, or resolving technical issues, improving the overall player experience and increasing player satisfaction. In addition to the benefits for players, AI is also helping iGaming operators improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. Virtual game assistants, for example, can handle a large volume of player inquiries and support requests, freeing up human support staff to focus on more complex tasks. AI algorithms can also help operators make informed decisions about allocating resources and improving the overall player experience. In conclusion, AI is transforming the iGaming industry, offering new and innovative ways to enhance the player experience and drive growth for operators. From player behavior analysis to recommendation systems and virtual game assistants, AI is changing the way the iGaming industry operates. Whether it is improving player satisfaction or increasing operational efficiency, AI has a profound impact on the iGaming landscape. It will be exciting to see what new developments emerge in the coming years. Thanks for watching.